Friends, good afternoon. Today I am coming with new strategy. This is very important pattern which forms on any stock, and this takes 3 months through 6 months to form. A lot of technical analysts use this pattern, and after forming this pattern, stock may have a big fall or may have a big move. You can calculate the target. This pattern is very good in swing trading. You can take a stock in delivery for 5 to 6 days or a week. Once this pattern form, and you can calculate the target also, and you exit it. So this is really very profitable pattern. You should know how to identify in stocks. You can make practice and get the success. The pattern is called head and shoulder pattern. So time frame 30 minutes 1 hour. Same I already told. Trade setup, then trade prefer time. Any strategy should be avoided in range bound sideways market. Head and shoulder pattern normally used in swing trading. We take a delivery once it is confirmed. I will tell you the fact about patterns. Any pattern they have 70% success rate. So no pattern have 100% success rate. So let's study head and shoulder pattern. We should know how to trade head and shoulder pattern. Then we will study how it forms. These patterns are formed normally on uptrend or downtrend. Any stock once in uptrend, then it form once in downtrend. They are very easy to spot on your chart. You can identify them. In the picture you will see, you can go below and see price fell from the market high, which can interpreted as a head. Then again seller took over, then drove it back in down. The buyer made on one's last effort before again the seller drove the price down, breaking the neckline and forming a downtrend. So head and shoulder bottom or top, both the places neckline will be broken. You will study further what is neckline, and this neckline is where we want to make our entry and grab some pips of profit once downtrend is formed or uptrend is formed. Please remember, no indicators used for this strategy. So you should however plan putting lines on your chart to indicate head and shoulder pattern and neckline, and you sell or you buy. Then you see this is the head and shoulder pattern. You can see on a chart. This is on daily chart. You see the stock has came down, then again it is going upward, then this is one head, then This is left shoulder, this is head, this is right shoulder, and you see the trend has been formed. So you can draw a neckline, you draw a trend line. Once this first left shoulder and head is formed, and you draw a trend line, this is right shoulder, and you see here, once you break the neckline, you can have a short the stock. This is hedge and shoulder top. You see here, shoulder, head, shoulder, then the neckline. Once price break the neckline, it makes down. How you have to take the target? The target is the difference between head and the neckline. See, and this much profit you should get it. So prior before some pips you can exit. Then you see in downtrend, head and shoulder, bottom, you see stock is going down, then again buying has came and it got the resistance, then again selling and the head is formed, then again buyers come, then here you see that, then again next shoulder. So left, head, shoulder, you draw a trend line from here. Once is broken, stock will go in uptrend. You see that. This is head and shoulder bottom, left shoulder, head, then again right shoulder. See here, price break the neckline and continue to move up. So you can take. So if you got confirmation on the second right shoulder also, some trader take at 0.1, some trader take after retesting the neckline, and some aggressive trader do buying once right shoulder is formed. So you see how much their profit. The same profit is from head to neckline is your profit. So this is what I shown you. You have to identify this in chart. So let's start how to trade head and shoulder. So find a uptrend on your chart like this. You see, once you have established there is uptrend, look for the retracement and then another bullish price action. Look for the retracement, then a bullish push to new high. The new high will be head. What you will now need to see is price move back down to form another shoulder before making another run to upside. Third point, wait for another retracement, then another move the upside. Now the two heads, now the one head and two shoulder forms like this. You see that? Sometimes there will be a little noise which make it hard to see. I am telling you frankly, you will not get similar pattern. There might be some variation. So you have to use your logic to identify. Take your time analyzing the charts and you should be able to accurately spot this formation. What is happening here when the price approaches the neckline from the head? Many of the people who bought the last wave were soon of the realization that there are plenty more sellers than the buyer. Right now they are getting out. Fourth point, price action should now move to downward to the neckline. So now since buyer are getting out of this, To minimize their losses, the seller take over the trend and drove it down. Wait for price to break the neckline. Then you have to see here, let it should break the neckline. You have to wait. Now the moment of rush, when the price action get the neckline, there is a crucial moment for the seller to get on board. As you can see, the neckline was broken here, so now you are a setup to make a trade. Entry criteria: wait for a small retracement before you enter. Wait for a small retracement you see on the 15 minutes chart and make the entry. So you see on 1 hour chart or ideally and take a trade on 15 minutes. You make it entry. That is the idea. If you identify the head and shoulder or 1 hour, you go ahead with 15 minutes trade. So the logic here, you identify on larger time frame and go on the smaller time frame for trade, so you have better entry and your stop loss will be minimum, because if you go higher time frame, the candle will be bigger and your stop loss will be bigger. Seventh, stop loss take profit. This rule goes in hand with 6. Make sure determine a stop loss placement before you enter a trade. There are many different exit strategies that you can use head and shoulder. I recommend 1:3 to risk reward ratio. So you have a loss 1 and reward 3 times. So determine your stop loss and calculate 1:3 reward ratio. That was the criteria. Sell trade. Here there are rules to trade inverse head and shoulder pattern. So you see opposite to that, you can see here inverse head and shoulder pattern. You can see head and shoulder bottom. Please remember, I am again telling you, you have to take a trace. You can take a target from here to neckline. You have to draw the neckline. You should know how to draw a trend line. So trend line and neckline are same. You can say it is a resistance also. So let's go here. Buy entry. Find a downtrend on your chart on any time frame. I will recommend 1 hour time frame. Look for retracement, then a bearish push to new low. Wait for another retracement, then another move to downside. Price action should now move the upward to the neckline. Wait for price to break the neckline. Entry criteria: wait for a smaller retracement and then enter the trade. Stop loss as usual, I told you 1:3. I will again tell you, you use 1 hour larger time frame and take a trade on 15 minutes chart. I will again summarize. This strategy is great for any time frame. I show you example that 1 hour chart, and you can see in 5 minute chart. Never trade this strategy until you see the break of neckline. So this is what I told. So you go ahead with this strategy. You can use the time frame, any time frame, but what I told, you can see you don't have any problem. So friends, this is what I shown you, head and shoulder pattern. This is one of the really profitable pattern. So this is what from my side. I already covered triangle pattern. Now I told you head and shoulder top and head and shoulder inverse bottom. So you try to find out on daily chart, open the investing and identify and and take from head to neckline, calculate the target in history and see how much stock is going down. I will recommend to use this strategy in swing trading rather than in intraday trading, because it is really difficult to track this. Once you become expert after 3-4 years, then you can use this strategy in intraday also. So usually pattern used in swing trading. So this is from my end, friends. I request you to subscribe this video. If you have not subscribed, press the bell icon, because you will be getting a lot of strategies. You get a notification. Please forward to your friends and let them subscribe. Let try to learn financial market with the help of each other and bring more and more people on board. Thanks. Good night. In case of any query or support required, you can call me or you send me a WhatsApp. I am always available for you. I am a trainer, trader and certified research analyst also. This video is for education and learning purpose. Share this video to more and more people and person, so they will be benefited, and definitely these all strategies will help trader to get profit and avoid losses. For trader, first he has if he is a trader, he started trading. In beginning he has to do the paper trade. He must take training for NSE certified analyst, and he must ask his certificate number, whether his certificate exists or does not exist. Then you again do a paper trade, then do a small trading in cash, in equity, then increase your confidence, talk to other traders, put a stop loss, put a trailing stop loss, do trading, make your strategy whatever suits you. I am telling all possible strategies which are available in Bird. You can use whatever suits you. So it's your choice. You can use indicator, you can use without indicator, whatever best you try it, and be expert trader. It takes years. Thanks. Thank you.